Welcome to Form 5, Chapter 5, Trigonometry. The first part we are learning is special angle. In a special angle, first we learn from a triangle. Let's say I have an equilateral triangle, which means all the lengths are the same. Let's say one part will be 2, this will be 2, this also will be 2. Now, I also know that each angle will give me 60 degree, 60 degree, and another 60 degree here. So let's say I cut this into half, and in this case this will give me a half triangle with 2 here and 1 on the below. This will still give me 60 degree, this is 90 degree, and this will give me a 30 degree. And from this triangle, half triangle, I can say that sine 30, sine is go with opposite hypotenuse, C will go with adjacent and hypotenuse, and tangent will go with opposite over adjacent. So sine opposite over hypotenuse, sine 30 opposite and hypotenuse will be 1 over 2. And before we continue more, we need to find this part. We know that this is 2, this is 1, this will be square root 2 squared minus 1, which at the end will give me a square root 3. So for cos 30, it will be adjacent over hypotenuse, so it will be square root 3 over 2. And tangent 30, opposite, which is 1, over adjacent, which is square root 3. Let's say I'm trying to find sine 60. Sine 60 will give me opposite over hypotenuse, which is square root 3 over 2. Cos 60 here will give me adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2. And tangent 60 will be opposite over adjacent, so it will be square root 3 over 1, which at the end gives me a square root 3. So at the end of the result, when they talk about sine 30, without calculator, you already know it's 1 over 2. And if cos 60, it will be 1 over 2. And in this case, let's say I have a square with all the same units. 1, 1, 1, and 1. And now I cut this square into half. It will have a triangle. Half square will give me a triangle, which is 1 this side and 1 this side. And now let me find this hypotenuse, which is 1 square plus 1 square will at the end give me a square root 2 on the hypotenuse. And I know that this is 45 degree, this will be 45 degree, as all this side will be 90, 90, and 90. If you cut into half, it will be 45. So in this case, I'm trying to find sine 45. It will be opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 over square root 2. Cos 45 will give me adjacent over hypotenuse, which is also 1 over square root 2. And tangent 45 will be opposite over adjacent, which is equal to 1 over 1, and at the end will be give you 1. So in this case, all value of sine 45, cos 45, tangent 45, sine 30, cos 30, and tangent 30, as well as sine 60, cos 60, and tangent 60 are all called as special angle. Without using calculator, you can find the answer.